Welcome to the fascinating world of spectral theory. Today, we will unlock the secrets of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Get ready to discover the hidden frequencies within mathematical objects. Spectral theory is a mathematical framework that studies the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of linear operators and matrices. In essence, it reveals the fundamental frequencies, or characteristic behaviors, hidden within mathematical structures. Think of it as a way to understand the inherent properties of a system by examining its eigenvalues and eigenvectors. An eigenvalue, denoted by the Greek letter lambda, is a scalar value that represents how much an eigenvector is scaled when transformed by a matrix. It tells us how the magnitude of the eigenvector changes during a linear transformation. This relationship is mathematically expressed as a v equals lambda v. An eigenvector, denoted by the letter v, is a non-zero vector that maintains its direction when transformed by a matrix A, only changing in magnitude. In other words, when a matrix acts on an eigenvector, the resulting vector is just a scaled version of the original eigenvector. Again, this relationship is mathematically expressed as a v equals lambda v. The eigenvalue equation can be written as open parenthesis a minus lambda I close parenthesis v equals 0, where I is the identity matrix and v is a non-zero vector. This equation is fundamental in finding eigenvalues and eigenvectors. The identity matrix ensures that we are subtracting a scalar multiple of the identity from the matrix A, which is necessary to solve for the eigenvalues. Eigenvectors represent special directions in space that remain unchanged under a linear transformation. Imagine stretching or compressing along these privileged axes. These axes defined by the eigenvectors define the fundamental directions in which the transformation acts purely by scaling. Let's consider a simple 2 by 2 matrix A, where the first row is 3, 1 and the second row is 0, 2. We'll find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors for this upper triangular matrix. This example will help to illustrate the concepts we've discussed so far. To find the eigenvalues, we need to solve the characteristic equation, which is given by determinant of open parenthesis a minus lambda I close parenthesis equals 0. Solving this equation will give all the eigenvalues of matrix A. Spectral theory has numerous applications across various fields. It's used in signal processing and Fourier analysis, machine learning for principal component analysis, data science for dimensionality reduction, and network analysis in graph theory. These are just a few examples of how spectral theory is applied in real-world problems. Eigenvalues reveal the natural frequencies at which systems oscillate or respond. It's like finding the resonant frequencies of a musical instrument hidden within mathematical structures. This connection to frequency analysis makes spectral theory invaluable in fields like physics and engineering. Now that you have a foundational understanding, explore diagonalization and matrix decomposition, symmetric matrices and orthogonal eigenvectors, practical computations and numerical methods, and advanced applications in real problems. These topics will further deepen your knowledge and skills in spectral theory. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.